Hey guys, Bob from Gil Skillz here. Today, we got another micro scrapping excursion for you. Kind of interesting, really. This is another RV-related micro scrapping excursion, as today we're going to be taking apart, disassembling, recycling, and micro scrapping an awning motor for a camper and or RV. Now, I've never taken one of these apart before, so it should be really interesting. If you haven't either, sit tight, relax, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the ride. All right, for those of you that have been around for a while, you certainly know what to do. But for those of you that are new to the channel, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It would mean the world to the YouTube algorithm. And of course, it would really help the channel. Thank you very much for your support. And for those of you that are already subscribers, you're awesome. Thank you so much. So this is pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to assume that most of this is going to be aluminum. A lot of things on an RV tends to be aluminum to prevent rusting because it is outside and exposed to the elements. First thing I'm probably going to want to try to do is get this nut off here. All right, that was relatively painless, right? Get this piece of aluminum here. Non-magnetic, yay. We've got a couple of plastic washers. I'll put that aside here and start the plastic pile. You know, the nice thing about this one is there's really not going to be a whole lot of plastic, which I can't say that all the time with these micro scrapping excursions. So next we got 3 screws. I'll take those out. Four screws. Sorry, there's 4 screws. I lied. There's 4 screws. So there we go. We got those 4 screws. I don't think I'm going to be able to go much further without starting to take apart this side here. And it looks as though I'm going to need some Allen wrenches to do that. So let me go ahead and grab them and we'll get started. Curious. That looks like it might be stainless steel. And I was right. It's stainless steel. These are all stainless steel as well. There's a washer on them that is not, but the screws themselves are. And even this nut here is stainless steel. Look at that. So far, we don't have any steel screws, which is absolutely awesome. Just double check and make sure. So those are out, so it should come out without a problem here. Looks like there's a rivet here that might be holding it in place. I'm going to try to take a drill bit rather and get that out. Like that. Okay, seriously, what's holding this thing on at this point? What the heck, guys? Pry it out. I'm going to put this on the vise here real quick, see if I can get that off. So we get this piece out here, so we'll see if that helps. That was definitely magnetic. I'm going to try to drill that a little bit more. Ow, bruh. That hurt. When in doubt, go bigger. Whew. Well, there. Well, I got that out. Going bigger helped in this case. So this piece right here is all aluminum. Looks like we got a cotter pin holding that in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the vise and I'm going to take it out. There's the cotter pin. Cotter pin is definitely ferrous. I suspect that this is probably another piece of aluminum. That it is. Piece of plastic. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We got another piece of aluminum here. All right. We've got these smaller Allen wrench screws. Alright, so all those are ferrous. So we're opening this up here. Plastic piece. That's not going to fit through, so I'm going to cut it. Now this is interesting because this is really thick and it's really heavy. And I would imagine it'd have to be pretty heavy duty. Oh man. I would have thought that this would have been aluminum. I'm a little disappointed. I'm not gonna lie. This could possibly be stainless steel as well, considering there's no rust. But it is very, very magnetic. That's a bummer. All right. Now this here, on the other hand, this is all aluminum. All aluminum. No pull, no nothing. So that's awesome. Basically, we've got an internal motor at this point. I don't know how much more I'm going to want to take this apart. I know that I'm going to want these wires. So I definitely want the wires. There are 3 more. I'll take this apart and see if anything comes out of this. Tape. We'll add that to the junk, I guess. Okay, this looks to be stainless steel. Got a little bit more wire here. Okay, that is most definitely ferrous. So we got more metal here, more ferrous metal. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is it for the awning motor. So I guess first and foremost, we've got this transformer here, or copper bearing motor, which is fan-diddly-tastic. We've got some wire, as you can see. Got some wire with some brass bits on the end. We've got some stainless stuff here as well, which is really cool. All this stuff is stainless and didn't stick with the magnet. And everything that stuck with the magnet is in this little bowl here. And I'd have to say the prize today is actually all of this aluminum, which is fantastic. And then of course over here, we've got the metal the ferrous metal that sticks to a magnet. Look at all the junk we got here, or lack thereof. There's hardly any plastic here whatsoever. So I'm very happy whenever that happens. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. This was the power awning motor. If you like what you've seen here as far as micro scrapping, disassembling, and recycling, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, have a scrap happy day.